Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Microsoft Store not download Applications apps. In the search box, enter the command wsreset. Click on Run command. You will see that opens a command prompt console and then the Windows Store. This will give solution to the error. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.